Top 3 best signs I had sex with.
I've been moving, kind of start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today officially starts Gemini season. Yes, my birthday's May 30th. That's why you guys are here, because we're posting every day until the 30th. Because honestly, the only answer I have is because I'm crazy. But okay, we about to get into it. To start off, it's Gemini season. I wanted to do a Zodiac sign type of video because I love astrology. I love Zodiac. I love everything about it. Like, it's just, it makes me happy. And I mean, I might as well tell you guys about my favorite or least favorite Zodiac signs, right? So let's get into it. Don't judge me, y'all, because these questions, OMG. Okay, first one, best sign I dated. I would say Pisces. Pisces is probably the best sign I've dated. A sign I would never date again, Aries. It just doesn't, we just don't mesh. Like, it just doesn't work. Top 3 best signs I had sex with. This is not a truth or drink. I have to actually answer. Okay, I'm over here. I'm talking to America, y'all. You know how Bernie Mac used to talk to America? Okay. Oh. Okay, I'll say Pisces, Virgo, and a tie between Scorpio and Gemini. So yeah. Least favorite sign I had a relationship with. Yeah, I would say Aries. Yeah. It wasn't, I mean, like, they're good friends. I'm good friends with Aries, but relationship wise, no. Top 3 signs I love to go out with. Aries. These are women, of course. Aries, Aquarius, Scorpio. Yeah, I'll say those 3. Zodiac signs of my parents. So my mom is a Leo and my dad is a Virgo. Zodiac signs of my siblings. So ironically, both of my brothers, they have the same birthday. They're both Libras. So my big brother, a Libra. Then me, Gemini. My little brother, he's a Libra as well. Then my little sister, she's a Virgo. And then my baby sister is a Capricorn. So yeah, we all over the place. The signs that I attract the most, platonically and romantically. So platonically, I attract Aries, Leo, Scorpio. Scorpios they stay around. What else do I attract? Yeah, Scorpios stay around. Oh my GG. I attract a lot of Geminis, ironically. Like, I do attract a lot of Geminis. And I want to say that's, like, yeah, no, that's it. Those are my, like, those people, like, wow. They can't get enough of me. Romantically, Scorpio and Gemini. Scorpios and Geminis romantically cannot get enough of me. I know. I just like, I'm just joking. But Gemini, Scorpios, And I could say Virgos. I could say Virgos because yeah, I've dated a couple of Virgos, so I can definitely say that. Signs I would love my future kids to be. Oh! Okay, so I'm definitely an air sign is always top tier. Like, I wouldn't mind. I can do a Gemini. I could. And I can do a Libra. I definitely want a Sag daughter. I want a Sag daughter so bad. Sag women are top tier. They're amazing. I could do a Leo. I don't have an issue with Leos. I like Leos. I can say a Pisces boy. Scorpio, I can do either one. Scorpio woman or Scorpio man. I'm okay with both. Because Scorpios, they love me out. I can do a Taurus woman. I can do a Taurus woman. Well, a Taurus daughter. Let me see. Yeah, so Sag daughter, Libra daughter, Leo daughter, Pisces son. I can also do a Pisces daughter too. Like there's some boss bitches. Like I like that. A Taurus daughter, and Gemini boy or girl. I actually wouldn't mind a boy Gemini or a girl Gemini. Geminis, we just mesh. So air, I guess air and fire, and then like add a sprinkle of water in there. And earth. I guess all of the elements, I guess. With earth though, definitely Taurus. Virgo, I could not have my sister, and a Capricorn, that's not bad. I can do a Capricorn daughter. Not a Capricorn son, but a Capricorn daughter, I can definitely do. Like the earth signs, as far as women, definitely I can do. But earth signs as far as men, I don't. But anything that God blesses me with, anything that God blesses me with, I'm definitely down. Like my children are gonna be amazing regardless, because they're gonna have an amazing mommy, an amazing dad, and I'm gonna love them and raise them to be great human beings. Of course, kids are gonna do what they want to do and be who they want to be, but I have faith that mine are gonna be solid. Praying. I'm not even gonna try to be cocky about it. I'm praying about it. And last but not least, what sign would I want to be if I wasn't a Gemini? I would say a Libra. I would say a Leo, Libra, or maybe even a Taurus. I'll do that. So Taurus, Leo, and Libra. Leo and Libra just give me bad, like baddie. They're just so ooh, I love Leo and Libra women. They're just so beautiful. And then Taurus women, I just like how they're pleasant to be around. They're real strong-minded. They're bosses. I love it. So yeah, I would be one of those. Like, I like that. Oh my gosh, I was talking this whole time with that hair on me. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we not done. But yeah, thank you guys.
I like it when you lie.